Hey guys, what is going on? Thanks for checking out another video here on the Clicky Clack channel. So today we've got a switch test, but as well as a keyboard test. So I recently built a KBDFans, the KBD8x MKII for a customer, so I got to kind of check it out. Really nice keyboard, crazy good for the money, I think. I feel like it is. Great weight, it's got beautiful top mount style board, brass plates, brass weights, hefty. This is a hefty board. This particular customer wanted it built with Holy GSUS switches, so we did that. Let's give a quick typing test just so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like. It's got a really nice sound to it with these switches, so let's go check this thing out.